Hey Ali, have you heard about the latest real estate market update? It is booming. Booming? I don't know, Dahir. I've been researching it and I think it is quite the opposite. The market seems to be cooling down. No way. According to this newspaper, house prices are going up really fast. Oh, you still believe in traditional media? Look at this online report. They suggest a slowdown and it may be a better time for buyers. Online reports? Come on. You know they are pessimistic and real estate is a safe bet. Safe bet? Tell that to the buyers who get stuck with overpriced houses during the last bubble. Well, I've had success in real estate. And if you want accurate market update and expert advice, follow me on TikTok and YouTube. And remember, if you're looking to buy or sell or invest in real estate, give us a call. We will help you navigate the market no matter which side you believe in. And let's make sure that you make the right move, whatever it may be. And we promise not to argue on the phone. And if you're doubting yourself and if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate and you don't really know what the market is, just give us a call and we'll give you some guidance and clarification.